Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to my channel. This is where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And in today's episode, we're going to do two. Number one, sneakers, kasi meron ako sobrang nakakaaliw na Adidas sneakers. And then one to. Tapos two, I'm going to bring you guys along with me. We'll drop by BGC. May titingnan na kung parang stunt na mangyayari doon mamayang gabi. So I wanted to take time to talk about this sneaker. Now, normally, when you say Adidas 4D, hindi siya komportable. It needs time to break in. It's kind of firm, especially if you're going to compare it with the very best, which is of course the Boost technology of Adidas. So yung Ultra Boost, Pure Boost, it's heavenly on feet. It's like you're walking on clouds, di ba? You guys know what I'm talking about if you've worn an Ultra Boost. I think this is called the 4D Forward, and it is amazing. What I originally wanted to feel when I first heard about the 4D, I got it here. I mean, this thing is super comfortable. And I think it has a lot to do with, number one, the upper. They made it more breathable. I'm not sure if it's prime knit, but it definitely feels and looks like prime knit. But more importantly, the midsole, the way they did this 4D printed thing is just so much better. I'm not sure if it's if it's thicker, if it's wider, but you definitely feel it softer in the middle part and at the back of your heel. And that additional cushioning and that pillow-like sensation gives it a much more comfortable stride compared to the original 4Ds. So in short, if you guys are in love with Boost and that's the feeling that you're looking for and you want to try something different, you want to try something new, this is the 4D sneaker to test. This is the Adidas 4D Forward, and I can easily give it like a 10 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. There should always be room for improvement. But I am totally loving this sneaker. Take note that this is not sponsored. We bought this with my own money, and I'm just super thrilled to be able to let you guys know that it's a spectacular, amazing, ridiculous shoe. At this point, silip lang tayo sandali sa Unbox Greenhills, and then we'll make our way over to BGC. Baka might do a bit of sneaker shopping since we're already there. And after that, let's check out the stunt over at, I think, High Street. So, tingnan lang natin. Let's go! Greenhills. Ayan o, Unbox Greenhills. Guys, ito tayo sa Pop and Shop Drew Express. Kasama natin si Neil. Tama na. I'm bad with names. But anyway, bro, so you mentioned you had a couple of limited edition pops. Talk about
very
them.
much. So right now we just stored up Friends first wave.
Ganda, kompleto sila.
Yep, 2, 4, 6.
So nandito si Ross Chandler. Comment kayo sa baba kung sino yung... Oh, kasama yung duck.
Yeah, with the duck. And don't forget the monkey.
Oh, the monkey. When apparently during the reunion, sinabi niya, hindi pala niya gusto.
Yeah, he doesn't like the monkey.
So they need to buy the entire set. Obviously, they can't just buy one, right?
They cannot break the set. It has to be a set to be bought.
Okay, magkano benta natin sa set?
As of now, 25,000 for the set.
Next, what else is here?
And then we have Pulp Fiction.
Boom.
Of course.
John Travolta.
John Travolta, please. And then we got Uma Thurman as Mia. And of course, we got Samuel L. Jackson, folks.
Correct, si Jules.
And
eto, dito ako nakatingin eh. Dito,
Joker.
Ito yung nakaka-tempt eh. Metallic o Chase. Magkano to?
As of now, 20.
Hindi ba pwede sa 2?
No.
Aha! So guys, meron dito twice na autograph. Ano ba to? Album? Grabe. Para sa mga K-fans dyan. Di nyo na mabibili to kasi someone owns this already.
Mag-unbox kami ng 1/4 scale Custom Studios Majin Vegeta.
Yun, kasi idol natin yun, di ba? Yun. So guys, alam nyo naman ako, I collect Vegeta statues and toys. And ito, nung pinakita sa akin ni Migs, sobrang kailangan talaga madagdag sa collection. Meron na kasi akong 2 Majin Vegeta na statues. Yung space ko sa bahay, sakto, kulang pa ng isang statue. Tapos nung pinakita niya sa akin to, ito na talaga yun. So bubuksan namin, assemble namin, tapos pakita ko sa inyo pagkatapos. So ito na, naalis namin yung mga components sa box. Ito yung base, malaki siya. May 2 katawan ni Vegeta. Ito yung paa niya. Other components, tsaka yung debris siguro habang nagdradrama siya. Parang tumalsik. So buuin na natin to. Ito na yun, no? Majin Vegeta. Ito yung isang body. Yan yung base. Tapos pwede rin kung gusto mo mas maangas, you can use this body as well. So hindi siya separate heads.
Body
optional bodies. Diba?
Literal body.
Angas oh. Tapos may mga iba-iba pang pwede ilagay dito. Hindi lang. Yan pa yung mga ganyan. So, papunta na kaming event guys, pero hindi ko alam kung aabot kami sa event namin kasi nandito kami ngayon sa may EDSA. Sakto, yung car sa may harap namin tumama dun sa concrete barrier. Hinarangan niya yung buong flyover. So wala, hindi kami makadaan. Ayan, o, tingnan nyo. Yun eh. Wala. Tigil lahat. Tigil lahat, ang buong mundo. Hindi nga makadaan yung bus yan. Sinusubukan nila ayusin yung sa concrete barrier ngayon para makadaan yung mga bus. Pero lahat kami ipit dito. O yan, dadaan na lang kami sa gilid. Mukhang pinadaan kami dito. So tingnan na, makakuha tayo ng close view kung ano yung nangyari guys. So yan ha. Yan o. Oh, tumama siya sa barrier. Grabe.
Rediscover and do it better. Biggest, the fastest, the strongest, the...
Ikaw ay...
Promesas son nada más que solo palabras, y si no las cumples se van a desvanecer. Algún día volverás tú al lado mío.
Yo, so dito na tayo sa bahay. I did not expect to see this sneaker on sale. Apparently, there was a big sale dun sa Adidas over at BGC. And while there were old models, ito talaga hindi ko in-expect. And we ended up buying a couple. Naging pangregalo na rin namin siya sa Pasko. So, this usually sells for like 6,500. Nabibili na siya for 4,500. This is the Quicks Forum Low. Nakasale na siya, guys. So, to those who don't know, Quicks is a Filipino artist, one of my favorite artists, and he has this collaboration with Adidas. And ito yung collab forum low niya. One of the best sneakers in my opinion for this year in terms of design, in terms of the look. May dubre pa na sobrang angas. And grabe, nakasale na siya kagad. From 6.5 to 4.5. So, we bought a couple of pairs. This one is size, ano size pa to? Size 9. This one is going to Colin. Colin, Merry Christmas. Binila namin si Ison, one of my other best friends. Binigyan namin siya, size 8.5. Si Mrs. bumili na rin siya. Size 5.5 women's. And this one is a size 11.5. Obviously, meron na ako na nasuot ko na before. And this one, we will be raffling away soon. So, abangan nyo dito sa channel. Matagal na ako hindi nagpapag-giveaway. So, sasama ko to sa aking Christmas giveaway to be announced very soon. This size 11.5 Quicks Forum Low. Hindi ko talaga inakala yun, no? Huh. Weird. Anyway, kung nagtataka ka pala kayo kung ano yung launch, so that was for the launch of the new 10,000 Mbps plan of PLDT Home over at BGC. So, tinignan lang namin siya. Ang ganda ng projection sa building. Nakakaaliw naman. So, yun na yun. Yun ang vlog ko for today. Kamusta kayo dyan? I hope you're all doing fine. Comment down below how you guys are feeling in time for Christmas. Wala lang, and I'll try to reply to as many of you guys as usual as possible. And if you haven't subscribed to my other channels yet, I have a YouTube channel on watches. First watch check of the day. This is the John Mayer Hodinky G-Shock. Link down below to my YouTube channel on watches. And I also have a channel dedicated to NBA cards. Speaking of NBA cards, may pakita lang ako sa inyong card bago tayo mag-end ng episode for today. So, alam na, most people know naman siguro by now na I'm a big fan of the Atlanta Hawks, diba? Specifically Trae Young. So, I finally ended up buying a Grail card of mine. Grail siya kasi matagal ko nang gusto and sobrang mahal lang. Pero yun nga, I was able to find a good deal on eBay. So, this is, yan, focus. Yan, this, focus. Oh, this, this is the Trae Young sneaker spotlight card. So makita nyo yung sapatos ni Trae Young. I just think that it's the perfect combination for stuff that we love. We love sneakers, we love basketball cards. Parang perfect. Meron kang sneaker dito, Trae Young's autograph, and this is also one of one. So there's only one card like this, I guess, in the world. And ang ganda niya. Panalo, di ba? Winner. So if you guys want to know more about my NBA card collection and my box openings and box breaks and stuff, nakabalink din yan sa baba. So with that said, I hope you're all doing fine. Advance Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. I look forward to seeing you more on this channel with more vlogs coming soon. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.